Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the pre-market show. Today there is no such global cues as of such today morning because most of the Asian markets are closed. I think excepting the Japanese market, all other markets are closed. So SGX Nifty is indicating 17,863. That is 30 points up from where we closed. So nothing major happening around the world over the weekend. So only Japanese markets are open, and it is open with a gap up is what it is indicating, 1.11% up. And let us open up the 15-minute chart, and you can see it is trading firmly in the green, and US futures are absolutely flat, no changes over here, just this 0.0203% in the red. S&P 500 and Nasdaq and Dow Jones is absolutely flat. So nothing happening in the global futures as well. So things are looking absolutely flat opening. So flat opening is what we're expecting. Crude oil prices is coming down, so that is another thing to watch out for. It is 85.42 right now, crude oil prices, and dollar index is also coming down, so that is also added good news, down by 0.25%. It is now at 108.7. Coming to other things, we can see that Indian markets, and let us see what are the levels that you can watch out for today. So intraday levels you should be watching out for is yesterday's low of 17,796 or 17,800 roughly is a good support, and it should hold. If that is broken by any chance, the next support should come around 17,700 and 700 to 720. These levels I'm going to be watching out for. On the upside, yesterday's high market tried to break 7,900 multiple times, so 7,900 should act as a resistance on the upside, and 17,951 should act again as an important level of resistance. And the last level I'm looking out for is 18,000. So these are the levels. So 18,000 on the upside, 17,700 on the downside is what we're expecting today. Coming to Bank Nifty, what you can expect is definitely yesterday's low should hold, that is 40,280 levels. If that is broken, the next level of resistance should come around 40,000, and 40,100 should act as a important level of support. On the upside, yesterday's high of around 4,600 is the first level of resistance. Next is 40,900. It should be acting as the next level of resistance. So 40,900 on the upside and 40,100 on the downside for Bank Nifty is what I'm expecting today. So markets are likely to act in a direction take a direction only on after the US interest rate decision is out, not interest rate, US inflation rate decision is out on tomorrow. So that is to be watched out for. And today, if you're looking for any economic indicators, we have the GDP of UK coming out at 11:30 a.m. So expectation is 0.4% positive. So you can expect if that is higher than the expectation, that is good. But if it is lower, then definitely it is not something good for the economy. So you can watch out for that. Apart from that, after market hours, very important, India's inflation data for the month of August is coming out. 6.9% is the expectation, slightly higher than last time. We will be waiting and seeing how what level this comes out at. And apart from that, Indian industrial production as well as manufacturing production for the month of July will also be out, along with Indian inflation data. So you can watch out for these, but these are after market hours, effects of which will only be felt on Tuesdays. When the market opens on Tuesday. So these are something you should be watching out for. And apart from that, there's no other major news. So likely opening a flat opening, and maybe markets may not go anywhere from there. It can be consolidating today. That is a high chance of that, because again most of the Asian markets are closed, and also there are no major cues globally. And one sector you should be watching out for today and also this week is the IT sector. The IT index is up significantly, is what we are seeing from its low levels. It is up almost, it's a good candle on a daily candle yesterday. So definitely watch out for IT index, and stocks like Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, these should be in your watch list, and you should be planning to go long on these, meaning buying these stocks for a positional trade with definitely a stop loss in place. So these are the recommendations. And apart from that, I told you the expectation is a 30-point gap up opening, and from there wherever it goes, we have discussed the levels, and not expecting a huge volatile day today, but anything can happen. Let us see how the day opens up and what is in store for us. So if you know that there are a good amount of calls written on strike prices above, just above the market level 7,900, 18,000, and in bank nifty 40,500 has a huge amount of call OI. So if the markets are opening and it is moving up significantly, then these people will fall into trouble and then the markets can shoot up even higher. So there is a possibility of that. Apart from that, there is nothing else much to discuss right now. Let's discuss all the Indian inflation data and other things in the post-market show. So until then, that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a good day.